In this video, you'll learn how to sound like Goku using ElevenLabs. By following this guide, you will create a voice that captures the energetic, enthusiastic essence of this beloved character from the anime universe. Begin by opening the ElevenLabs text-to-speech interface. Once the application is loaded, you will see various options for voice models. Locate the model selection area and choose either ElevenLabs V3 or Multilingual V3. This selection is crucial as it determines the type of voice you will be working with. After selecting the model, proceed to the voice selection section. Here, you need to choose an adult male voice. For the best results, opt for a voice that is either neutral or energetic. These choices will help in achieving the Goku-like tone you are aiming for. Now, you are ready to input the text that will be transformed into speech. Type the exact text, energetic anime hero voice, slightly high-pitched, excited, innocent, confident, expressive. After this cue, add the dialogue. Hey, wow, you're really strong. This is going to be awesome. This specific structure will guide the voice model to produce the desired energetic output. Once you have entered the text, look for the generate button on the interface. Click on this button to initiate the voice generation process. After a brief moment, the system will process your input and provide you with the audio output. Listen closely to assess if it captures the Goku-like quality you intended. If the generated voice does not sound Goku-like enough, you can enhance the expression by using stronger cues. Modify the text to very energetic anime fighter voice, cheerful, naive, powerful, exaggerated. Follow this with the new dialogue. All right. I can feel it. This is getting exciting. Let's go. This adjustment will help push the energetic traits to a higher level to maximize the effectiveness of your Goku voice. Focus on certain traits, such as being energetic, cheerful, and confident, while maintaining a friendly demeanor. Incorporate anime exaggeration and sudden excitement in your writing style. Use short, enthusiastic lines and include expressions like, let's go, all right, and awesome. Avoid deep or serious tones and long dramatic speeches, as Goku's character embodies happiness and strength rather than darkness or edge. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.